Good morning friends, I am Shashi Daksh and today I am teaching about the chemistry of natural product of 8th semester topic of the alkaloids. Okay, and in this the alkaloid, what is the understood by the alkaloid? And alkaloid is generally introduced was first scientist of German scientist, that is his name is Carl Frischner Williams. Okay, and it says alkali nature is that alkaloids, and it's a simple definition, that is alkaloids are organic product of plant origin, basic in nature, and contain one or more hydrogen atoms and heterocyclic in nature. Okay, so it's a basic in nature of the simple plant, and they have a mostly one hydrogen atom is must in this the structure, and it is nature is a heterocyclic. Heterocyclic means the heteroatoms is in the cyclic forms. Okay, and the alkaloids also contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and sometimes sulfur also. And the nitrogen having three types of the nitrogen is basic in the ring of the alkaloid properties, that is alkaloid impart best properties, that is a primary amines, secondary amines, and tertiary amines. Okay, in the basic structure, each type of the nitrogen basis compound is must in the alkaloid structure, and but quaternary ammonium compound are not alkaloid in nature, so they are not used in the alkaloid structure. Now is a alkaloid present in plants. Alkaloid present in plant, they have two types of the alkaloid in the plant in nature, that is the first is the basic and second one is the salts. Okay, and the basic compound have they are the insoluble in water and soluble in organic non-polar solvents, that is the ether and chloroform. But salts with the acids, that is the crystallizable and soluble in water and insoluble in organic solvents. And these main differences is to using for the solubility for the various type of the process, that is extraction, isolation, purification, and assay of the alkaloids. So we can say basic compounds which are soluble in compounds, which are insoluble in compounds, or soluble in ether, so we can do a sometimes extraction isolation products, and on the we can the purify. But when the plant have a salt in form or crystallizable form, they have a acidic nature, so they are the soluble in water and insoluble in organic solvents. So now name of the alkaloids is a basic structure or basic type of the name of the alkaloids is a must to be identified of the alkaloids. Okay, so end of the name is suffix is "-ine", is a necessary is "-ine". Okay, and some example there is atropine, nicotine, ephedrine, ricinin, hyoscine, lobelin, and they are most of the anions compounds. Now I am discuss about the classifications. Classifications. Okay, and the classification having the chemical classification of alkaloids, that is a non heterocyclic or prota alkaloids. Okay, and second one is a heterocyclic or typical alkaloids. Two types of the chemical classification we have found it, that is a non heterocyclic and second is a heterocyclic. Okay, so in this video, in this test section, we understand the type of the heterocyclic compounds. Okay, so serial number, so we have using the serial number, type, basic ring structure, and the examples. Okay, so first is that the pyrrole. First that is a pyrrolene. Okay, it's a basic ring in N, H, and its example is a hydrine and stretchy chitin. Okay, and it's a first example of that pyrrolidine, that is basic ring, and is the hydrogen stretchykidines. Okay, its examples. Second one is pyridine. It's a stretched basic ring, and its example is a ricinin and aracholine. Now is this third one, third classification or third ring is the piperidine. And its structure and its example is a lobeline and conine. Now next classification is a tropane. Tropane, that is example is atropine and cocaine. Okay, and cocaine. Next classification or next structure is a quinoline. It's a 2 benzene ring with nitrogen. Its example is a quinidine and cinchonine. Now next is the isoquinoline. Only in structure of the quinoline, simple changes in the nitrogen in the 7th position. Okay, so we can say its example is a piperidine. Morphine, imidine. Okay, next is the classification, that is a indole. Or we can say benzopyrrole. So its basic ring is a one ring, second one is a pyrrole, second one ring is a, I'm do again, basic ring, that is example is a ergotamine, vincristine, vinblastine. Okay, now next is the eighth, that is a indole. It's a basic ring, is nitrogen, 2 nitrogen in this the basic ring with 1 nitrogen with H. Okay, its example is a pilocarpine. Next, purine. Purine, that is a pyrimidine and imidazole ring. Okay, one is this is imidazole ring. Imidazole, okay, not indole. Okay, it's imidazole ring. Okay, I'm so sorry, it's a mistake. So it's a pyridine ring, 1 nitrogen, example is a caffeine and theobromine. Okay, next is the steroids. Steroidal. Okay, steroidal is a basic ring, is like this. Okay, its example is a canesin and solanidine. Next example, next classification or next type, that is a diterpene. Its a chemical formula is C20H32. So its simple example is a aconidine and lycopene. Now is the 12th, this is the last of heterocyclic example, that is the amino alkaloids. Okay, amino alkaloids is a basic ring, is like this, and CHOH, CHCH3 and NHCH3. Each example is the ephedrine and pseudo ephedrine. Okay, it's a some classification, and in this we have understand type of the basic classification in this of the alkaloids. Okay, I hope you understand of my simple topic. If you have any problem, if you have any queries, you can call to me. Okay, thank you.